A case study this evening. This is a live deal that we have at the moment. It's deal number 100. It's a typical deal for the Northeast right now, that 39K deal. So it's well below the stamp duty threshold, which is 40,000. The refurbs that we do, it's back to brick. So it goes 35.6, which is back to brick. And this is including furniture. So you get your furniture included in this particular deal. Then, of course, the valuation of 90,000. We've sold several properties within a half-mile radius, specifically of this type of deal. So we do a lot of this type of deal with the monthly profit on this one around about 750 plus, and annual rents just over 9,000. This represents a 76% return on your capital employed. You pull all your money out of this deal in 18 months. Every cent that you put in, and then it's paying you 15% growth. No bank, let's be honest, no bank pays you those sort of returns. But the real story isn't just the numbers. This deal works because we've chosen the right location. We understand where the tenant demand is. We understand how it aligns with the regeneration story. And this particular deal has 5 exit strategies. It could be a standard buy-to-let. It could be a standard AST HMO. It could be rented out to a rent guarantee or to a charity and a flip. So understanding your exit strategies is as important when you start analyzing deals. You need to know what the exit is, because that's what turns a cheap deal into a wealth building asset.